Hello, it's Arthur again with the E90 BMW 3 Series. The rear door won't unlock, so the door is stuck closed. So when you push the button, it just shoots up like that, but it won't go up. So what you do is you remove the seat. You have to pry here up and then pry on the other corner. The seat comes off. There's no connectors on it unless you have rear heated seats. This one doesn't. Then you come, let me show you on this door so you guys can do on the other door. So the wood trim piece, you put a trim removal tool, pull this out, and this pops off. Then this piece, you put the trim removal tool from the bottom, you pull it out, and this piece comes off too. Then there is 3 T20 Torx screws, 1, 2, and 3 right here. You remove those, and once you pull on the door panel from the top, you don't need to go around really, you just pull it out pretty hard, it will come off. And you gotta disconnect a couple wires there, and the door handle, it just comes off very easily. So when you get to this part, when you pull the door handle, nothing happens. It doesn't want to open. So what you do is, there's this area over here. There's this little latch here. When you stick a screwdriver over here, you gotta push it down like this to the left, towards the back of the car. So I'm gonna put the camera down and I'll go do it from the other side. You pull it down and you have to pull the handle out from the other side. So you take your screwdriver, insert on top of this white piece. This piece usually goes here. As such, you can just turn around and pull it out. As you put your screwdriver right here, you push it down like this. Push it down and pull the handle, and it opens. Very simple.